All right, I found the second bone. It's right there in the ring. But they want to fight over that bone. Look, stop. Here's another bone, and here's the ring. The beef stick ringy thingy. All right, there's the bone that came out of nowhere. Kay has the ring. Lee is crying. She's not even touching him. All right, Kay came out victorious with the one bone, but there's another bone literally right there. Lee not even looking at the bone. He at the free bone. He's looking at the bone that she has. Here's the ring. Enjoy some ring. All right, he's focused on the ring, minding his business. She's in her little bed with her bone, minding her business. She has like one eye on her bone, but one eye on his ring. She's mad because he has the ring. Meanwhile, it's two free bones. All right, Lee got the other bone now. I saw it get sucked under the... Each person individually has their own bone, but she's worried about his bone. Look at this. She left her bone and the ring to go fight him. Kids, boy. Look, both the bone and the ring are at her feet, but she had to go steal the other bone from Lee. Lee fighting back. Lee like, give my bone back. Look, he bypasses the bone and the ring to go fight her. I know that's what he's going to do. He sees it. He identifies his own bone. He's going back under the bed with it. She's over here tearing up the mat. For what reason? I'm not really sure. Why? Explain. He's over here housing his bone. She's taking her anger out on the mat. The mat didn't do anything to you. Look, she going bananas. And now back to Lee. He's enjoying his bone, so she got to go bother him. You hear the sounds of the fighting. Was it because her bone was in here? Look, two bones. Two bones, guys. Two. And the ring. Be the Lord of the Rings. This is going to be nonstop all day. Now I know how moms feel and dads. All day long. As soon as they wake up, it's on and popping. It's two bones in the ring. Look, he worried about her. Back under the table. This is going to be all day long. Content. Look, he got his own bone and his ring under the table. He worried about her and stole it. And she came back for her stuff. And got it back. This is wild. Look. All day long. I feel like I'm back in middle school. Let them fight. Back in high school, let them fight. They fighting over one bone when there's another bone right there on the ground. Why? Look, he really pulling her tail. Lee, stop being so aggressive. Now she's going to bark at him. This is all day long. Dang. They really rumbling. She like, that's for biting my tail. Like I forgot. I ain't forget. I'm about to separate these two. They need to relax. Stop. Don't look at me. Look, he coming back to bite her in the butt again. Stop, y'all two. Y'all playing too much. Wait till y'all mom get home. It's on. I'm about to separate them. Now she got the ring. Lee, here's your bone right here. Look. She took the bone. Here's the second bone right here. Look. Y'all gotta chill. You got to chill. He doesn't know the bone is right next to him. He worried about her bone. He going for it too. Here they go again. Rumble. And she comes out victorious with the second bone that he was not worried about. Dang! He straight yanked her. This gonna be all day. And I got 2 more weeks of this by myself. Of them fighting. Y'all gonna kill each other. Y'all need to stop. Yeah, take it out on the toy. Now he fighting over the toy. The Jolly Rancher. Sibling rivalry, bull. Brother and sister going at it. He jumps over the bone to attack her. Now he got to beat up the little animal thingy because she beating up her Jolly Rancher. Now he got the bone again. Focus on the bone, son. Focus on the bone. She has her bone. Both individuals have their own bone.